what is new in the store and what's on our needle. Hi everybody. This is Wonder Woman.
She's beautiful. I actually really love her.
Oh, it's so cute. It's in your bra.
It's super soft.
Mostly ribbing back and forth.
This one based on a cartoon my friend drew.
Those are so funny.
Tons of fun.
They're like mini bees.
They're really tiny.
We have a class on Wednesday.
lots
We
of
have
people making it.
Amazing teachers. Tons of people are coming in, making it. We're all at different stages.
Walter, what's on your needles?
I'm making a vest. I've never made a vest before. The Maggie vest by Petite Knit.
It's great when you're a yarn store owner and you're on vacation because you're like, let me see what you got, let me see what's different, and let me support you.
It's perfect for like knitting and watching because there's so many episodes.
Welcome back to our show.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah. Hi everybody.
Hi.
We haven't done a round table like this in probably about 10 years, but we want to bring the community out, you know, just from the store. So we're going to just go over what is new in the store and what's on our needles. So today we have me, Annette.
I'm Janae.
Janae.
Teresa.
Alina.
Yay! So first, what's new in the store? You guys are probably familiar with our emotional support chickens. This is our latest one. This is Wonder Woman.
She's beautiful. I actually really love her.
She flew in on her invisible plane. I'm still a little bitter she doesn't have innate superpowers, but those are the kits. We have our emotional support chickens in knit and crochet, so don't forget. We also have our little chickies, but now we have a little ducky. Oh, he's so cute. Fits in your pocket, fits in your bra. If you need a little extra padding.
Some of us do.
Yeah, so that's cool. And also back after a long time, because it's been so hectic, I haven't had a chance to dye yarn. But we have several new bases. This is our Surrey Dandelion Puff Surrey, and it is 75% baby Surrey alpaca and 25% mulberry silk. And it is dreamy
stunning.
and it's soft. I can't work with mohair, so this is really, really great. And if you're wondering how it knits up,
So pretty.
very nice. I love it. It's very soft, like clouds. I looked a long time for a super squishy sock base. This is our Snapdragon sock, and it's 80% fine superwash merino, 21.5 micron, and recycled nylon, 20%. It's 400 yards. It's almost a sport weight. It's really squishy. This is how it knits up on the ones that I've dyed. Here and here. This is raspberry chocolate.
Raspberry chocolate and pond reflection.
Yes, and this one is my Sea Garden base. Now, Bruce, who's behind the camera, also started dyeing yarn, and he has done.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Bruce dyed that?
Yep, and
my
he is doing the solids.
Pretty cool.
Kicking some yarn behind Bruce.
Wow, those are
So
I
cool. Are they
noticed this
beautiful?
one, Bruce. I didn't even. I was like, wow.
Isn't that nice? Yeah.
Good job, Bruce.
And
Pretty
back,
proud.
yeah, he did good. And also back is our Starlight GK after a long time
sparkly.
in vacation here. So these are Wizard of Oz based. So we have Bluebirds Fly, Poppies, and Emerald City.
Love that.
And I am wearing an old version of this, but it's really fun. This is my design. If you're asking, I am going to be writing it up.
Just to let you know, it's coming.
We're going to talk about now what's on our needles. Now, I took a trip recently to Portland to visit my son and his lovely wife, and I visited the store Unwind. Lovely, lovely owner, and she took over, I guess, about a year ago. And of course, she had emotional support chickens in her shop, so we love her even more. And they were doing the Sabai top. There's number 1 and number 2. This is number 1, and that's the one with the ribbing. Number 2 is just stockinette. So if you're just starting out and you want a nice top to wear for summer, there's like, it's, you know, kind of brainless knitting. It's good. Well, it's not brainless if you're just starting out, but it's not going to be as challenging as the rib top. So I'm doing number 1, and I'm doing it out of a wool cotton blend that she had in her store, and I just love it. It's going to go like this. I'm almost done. This, I guess, has been a viral top. I don't pay much attention to that, but a lot of people in the store have made it. It's made from DK, and it has these lovely details on the side. Lots of people. It's been on the top of the what's hot right now for quite a while.
Yarn in the shop that would work?
Yeah, I have plenty. Lalan DK by Di Gilpin would be great for this. It's a nice light wool. Also, Pima Soft from Barocco would be excellent for this because that is so soft and it would feel great against the skin.
We love to support other local yarn shops.
Yeah.
And get inspiration.
Yeah, I was totally inspired. It's great when you're a yarn store owner and you're on vacation because you're like, let me see what you got, let me see what's different, and let me support you.
And we've had people come in that literally just want local yarn.
Yeah.
So I've been showing them all your stuff over here, and then as well as olive fiber.
And now it's Bruce.
Yes, and the Bruce.
And we also love
it.
olive fiber arts. We love it so much. Janae, what do you have on your needles?
So I am working on Barocco Iris. This is called Imperialis, and it's I'll show you what it looks like. And it's a stunning little piece of going mostly ribbing back and forth with some yarn overs, and I love it because we have a class on Wednesday.
Lots
We have
of people making it.
Amazing teachers. Tons of people are coming in, making it. We're all at different stages, and she's just helping us work on getting this done. So
And
I
what's
can't
that yarn
wait.
made of? It looks so soft.
Oh, it is it's super soft. Let's see, what is this made out of? I forget.
Yeah.
It's cotton bamboo,
And just a little bit of merino
Just a
and
little bit.
yak.
but when you touch it, it's just like so silky. And it comes in a ton of different colors, and I'm just whipping it up right now. So
It's really pretty.
yeah.
Good job, Janae. Teresa, what do you have going on? It's
Right
really fun,
now,
whatever it
I'm
is.
working on amigurumi. They're just tight, these small crocheted figures. I made this one based on a cartoon my friend drew, based on a book character.
Oh, we got bees.
Yeah,
I got bees.
The bees are from a Woobles kit.
Those
which
are so funny.
tons of fun.
They're like mini bees.
They're really tiny. I'm probably turning them into earrings because that would be a lot of fun.
That's a great
So I'm just working on hair for the second character.
Does that character have a name?
His name is Jen.
Jen.
Yeah,
That's hilarious.
and he's a thief, which is why he has the mask and stuff.
Oh, that's really cute.
So-
Alina, what do you
Yes,
have going on?
that's me. I'm making a vest. I've never made a vest before. It's this vest, the Maggie vest by Petite Knit. I like that she's wearing it as a top, or obviously you could layer it as a vest, which I like the concept of.
Malabrigo?
I am using Malabrigo. Rios, yes. You can kind of see, Frank Ochre is the color. Obviously I like this color. I'm like wearing it today. Yellow green or green yellow are like my favorite colors. But yeah, it's been pretty fun. It's really, I would say it's like a, I guess you could say advanced beginner or like intermediate. It's not, it's pretty straightforward in terms of construction. Kind of see how it's shaping up.
really cute.
Apparently I will then be like picking up stitches and doing a border here and around the neck, and then like a button band will be like picked up stitches. But it's been nice. I'm watching Star Trek The Next Generation for the first time. I've never watched it before, and I'm on season 2, and it's been like great.
It starts getting better.
That's what everybody says. They're like season 3 is when it really starts going. But it's been really nice. It's like, it's perfect for like knitting and watching because there's so many episodes. I'm like, there's like 25 episodes a season. So like, I'm just about to be done with season 2. But maybe when it starts getting more exciting, I won't want to knit while I'm watching it more. I love it. I love it so far. I love it so far. It's been really fun. So that's kind of been my summer so far. I've just been
Awesome.
Star Trek and this vest.
Hold it up again. That's so cute. I love it. Nice.
Also,
Looks a little like a bikini top now.
I mean, I know it's
Eventually
it will be a vest. Rios is great. Classic, beautifully hand dyed, affordable for a hand dyed yarn. We love Rios.
Yes.
I'm on the second skein. I don't think I'm gonna need 3, but I bought 3 just in case. I'll keep you posted on if I end up using them.
Walter, what's on your needles? Looks like he's helping me with my Sabai top. He's a very skilled knitter. We have the same gauge, so
Yes.
I'm not worried about it.
That's convenient.
Okay, Ducky. So we're going to finish up for today, but welcome back to our show.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.